Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a 4-star Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Tuesday, October the 22nd, 2024. And I've already solved one regular puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku, so 2 puzzles are left. The JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and this one, the Sudoku with 4 stars. By the way, in this daily newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. And the news of today, well, in 2 weeks, we have a battle between Harris and Trump. There will be election, presidential election in 2 weeks. Alright, enough about politics. 4-star Sudoku, number 9468. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits, same as before. Usually the 4-star Sudoku has 24. This one has 26. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more. Question is this a 4 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers are 5. We have 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 marks. So the 5 could be here, here or there. We see a 5 in the second row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. One of the missing number in this column is number 3. We have 3 in this big square, so no 3 in this box. So 3 could be here, here or there. We see another 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then, let me see. 9. Well. 1 here. Need it. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. On that column, the only 3 places left of the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this row, no 2 there. We have 2 in that row, no 2 there. So the only place left of the 2 should be there. 6, 6. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Here should be the 5, okay. And now, let me see. Yeah. Okay, in this big square, we need a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in that box. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left of 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 in the second row, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 6, 6. Come on. Let me think. Need 2 here. 2. Thinking. Come on. 8. With the 9. Thinking, need a 9 here. No 9, need a 9 there, so I need a 9 here. Yeah, need a 9 there. And there's 6 there. we have a pair, the 2 and the 6 in this row, the 2 and the 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left, the 2 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So now we have 5 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there in the last row. Here or there, we see another 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, the only place level 3 should be there. I need 8 here. Need a 4. Need a 7 here. Come on. 7. 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left 1 should be there. 1, 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing, 7 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7. That means 1 digit left in this row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. How about these 3 missing numbers? The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7. Cannot feel this yet. How about the 9 in this row, the 9 in that row? So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. Yeah. Need a 1 here, need a 1 there. That means we need a 1 in one of these 3 boxes. Okay, we have here 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers in this row is number 1. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. So the 1 in the second row could be here, here or there. We see another 1 in this column, no 1 there. Another 1 in that column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 in the second row should be there. In this column, we need a 6. Here can be 6. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, here, or there. We see another 6 in this row, first row, no 6 there. 6 in the second row, no 6 there. The only place level 6 should be there. 6, 6. 6, 6. Need a 1 here. Okay. And now 4, 7, and need a 3. I need a 3 in this column. Here can be 3, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there in this column. Here or there, we see another 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left, 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column 3, the only place left, 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now. Need to wait. Then how about the 8? 8, 8. Well, 2. So 2 numbers left here. The 4 and the 7 are left. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the middle row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left, 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. Need a 4 here. Yeah. In this big square, we need a 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4. I should be there. Need a 4 here. Okay. 4, 5, 7. Then. Need an 8 here. The 2, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 in that box. 1 box left with 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left with 2 should be there. 2 in the 6. We have a 2 now in the third column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. We have all the 2s, and all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left with 7 should be there. Need a 7 here. 8 and then 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left now in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Then 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left, 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. 2 numbers left in this row. Third row for numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column next on the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next on the last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square. 4, 5, 7 should be the 7 here. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next on that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, and the 6. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the middle row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 7 and 9, we have 7 now in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. The 9 in the last third column. The 9 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place left for 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. 13 minutes. Wow, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Well. Previous Sudoku 16 minutes. This one 13 minutes. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So, well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last regular puzzle this afternoon. Until then, bye bye for now.